A private helicopter carrying Home Minister Datuk Sri Hishamuddin Hussein and his family members toppled over while attempting to land at a police airfield in Sungai Besi this afternoon. The helicopter carrying Hishamuddin, his wife, daughter and son-in-law was returning to Kuala Lumpur from Johor Bahru when it was hit by strong crosswind while landing at 3:30 p.m. The crosswind caused the craft to topple over on its side. Police Inspector General Tan Sri Ismail Omar confirmed the family escaped unhurt. Hishamuddin had earlier cast his vote at Sekolah Agama Taman Sri Lambak in Sembrong this morning.